we have another unboxing, and this time it's sheet glass. Hi, my name is Sarah. I'm a stained glass artist, and I like to make videos like this to show you every aspect that goes into being a glass artist if you're thinking about starting or you're just getting started. So let's see what we have in this box. This order is from anythinginstainedglass.com. I think they have the best prices for sheet glass. They do take a lot longer to ship than places like Delphi. So I don't really remember everything I ordered. They have a small box minimum, so you have to order, I think it's 10 sheets of glass, and I really only needed 3 or 4. So I think I just threw in some wild cards. So let's open this and see what I got. And I'm doing this on the floor because I think this is full of packing peanuts, and I don't want packing peanuts to go everywhere. And I've just found that it's easier to do it on the floor than it is on a table. So ordering sheet glass online is kind of risky because a lot of the times I'll get stuff and it'll be broken. And if I still think it's usable, I won't say anything, but if it's really broken or I needed the full sheet unbroken for a project, they'll usually replace it for free. But every time I do an unboxing like this, I half expect at least one piece of broken glass. Let's see how carefully I can do this without getting packing peanuts and newsprint everywhere. And let's see, I got 10 sheets of glass, and my amount was $165, and that includes $21 for shipping. So that isn't very expensive for how much glass I got, but Anything in Stained Glass doesn't carry some of the brands of glass I like Bullseye. And their product descriptions and photos aren't the best. But their in-person warehouse is incredible if you're in Frederick, Maryland. Okay, our first piece. We've got this really beautiful wavy white glass, and this is for our project. This is one of the pieces I needed for this order, so that is for a specific project. I don't remember ordering this, but it's very pretty. It's a dark green, sort of oil slick, iridescent, very pretty. I will definitely use that for stuff for art markets because I make Monstera leaves, and that's a really pretty glass to make leaves out of. Oh. So this was another piece I needed for a project I'm going to do, but it was kind of a wild card because it didn't have a great picture online, so I'll have to look at my reference and see if that'll work, but it's super pretty. It's kind of this grayish, muted teal, wispy, pretty. And I have another blue, wispy something, and I think I thought this was opaque because this isn't even remotely close to what I needed, and I don't really like it, and I will probably see if any of my other glass friends want it because I probably won't use it. But that is the gamble with buying sheet glass online. Ooh. Okay, I have ordered this glass before. I actually bought it in person when I went to their warehouse, and it's one of my favorite types of glass. Oh, it's so pretty. It is this like really pretty lavender, but it's iridescent. So pretty. Okay, happy about that. Very happy about that one. And next I have a sheet of mirror, which I make a lot of things with mirror, so this will Be very useful. And I have this really beautiful sheet of red. Red glass is one of the more expensive colors of glass because it's sometimes made with gold. So just to give you a comparison, my sheet of mirror was $6 and this was $19.50. So this is significantly more expensive, but so vibrant, so pretty. Okay, and this is the main glass I placed the order for. I could see it immediately. It's this really beautiful kind of aqua, translucent. It's got kind of a weird pattern to it, those little lines. And I got 2 of these. And this is for a project that I will be making a video about shortly, and I'm very excited about. Another piece, same glass. And I think, is this my last piece? This is the last piece. This is a piece of black water glass, which is probably my most ordered glass. I use it for backgrounds and a lot of things. Like this is black water glass, but it's just an opaque black glass with kind of this watery ripple, shiny texture. Very easy to cut, very easy to work with. And I like it a lot. And that is it. Not the most exciting order, but will supply some upcoming projects I have that I will be making videos about. If you like videos like this and want to see more videos about stained glass, feel free to follow me. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments below. I do my best to respond to everything, and until next time, bye!